A small boy named Timmy walks into an animal shelter filled with hope and excitement, yearning for a furry friend to call his own. As Timmy takes the golden retriever to the park, he throws a frisbee into the air and the puppy dashes after it, barking happily, symbolizing the beginning of their adventure together. Sitting together on the grass, Timmy and his new dog enjoy a quiet moment, both feeling an unbreakable bond forming as they watch the clouds float by. Back at home, Timmy relaxes on the sofa with the golden retriever comfortably resting in his lap, sharing peaceful moments filled with love and companionship.